I'm Chris Titley, an advisor at Morgans, and as part of our technology update, I'm here today with CEO and co-founder of ASX-listed Other Levels, Brendan O'Kane. Brendan, can you talk to me about Other Levels?
Thanks, Chris. Good to be here. Look, Other Levels is a digital marketing platform, and what that means is simple. Only a few years ago, the way that a large brand or enterprise would reach its customers was typically through email. Now, we have smartphones in our pockets, we're playing with the tablet on the weekend, so we can help a large brand, be them a retailer or even someone like Tats who run the lottery. We can help them reach their customers both on that mobile device in your pocket and on the desktop and on the tablet. So we like to think of it as the second generation of audience engagement.
Fantastic. And recently you've picked up a few new contract wins. Can you talk about that?
We have, yeah. Look, as we said in the prospectus, we've added more salespeople to the team, and that's starting to flow through now into more wins. We just won a very large publishing company in the in the UK. They have a monthly audience of about 30 million. So they're going on to mobile now, and so they've selected us to help them get engagement with their audience on mobile. And then, for example, we just announced prior to that a couple of wins in the US. One of those highlights was a fantasy sports operator. And that was our first fantasy sports operator. And just to put that in perspective, 50 million Americans play fantasy sports every month.
Fantastic. And the outlook for the next 12 months for Other Levels, what's the game plan?
It's just more of the same, really. It's to make sure our salespeople are productive. We expect every one of our salespeople to bring in a number of new client wins, and we run a compounding model. So very simply, we want to try and retain very high levels of retention from our existing client base, and then of course to bring in a bunch of new customers as well. And if we do that, we know from the last 2 years that if we retain our customers, then they grow with us, and we can actually look forward to some sort of significant increases in revenue per customer.
Excellent. And the share price listed at 20 cents, but now is currently trading around 13.5 cents. Why do you think the market hasn't recognised Other Levels just yet?
Look, it's been a sort of funny ride. It's been sort of down and then up a bit and down a bit. Look, there's plenty of choice in the market. What we simply need to do is focus on the business and keep telling our story. We've got a good story built around recurring revenues. So it's not one-off sort of, you haven't got to resell everything all the time. So I think as the market understands or gets to know us more, you can see that we're building consistently month after month and quarter after quarter, then I think that the market will appreciate us.
Brendan, thank you very much for your time today. Much appreciated.
Thanks very much, Chris.